Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I'm your host Jasnoor Kaur and let's get started with today's headlines. India to launch CBDC in a phased manner. RBI form Innovation Hub. Cryptocurrencies cut losses tracking higher US stocks. Bitcoin rebounds. Metaverse will result in significant loss in the short term, says Mark Zuckerberg. Terra Votes to burn 1.3 billion USD tokens. New Terra blockchain launch expected Saturday with Luna Airdrop to follow. Move to earn crypto game, StepN bans Chinese users. Thailand excludes crypto transfers from VAT payments until 2024. Chennai Super Kings partners with FanCraze. Now moving on with the stories. The Reserve Bank of India said that it was going to take the path of a graded approach towards the introduction of the central bank digital currency. In its annual report released earlier today, the central bank said that the design of the central digital coin needed to be in line with the objectives of its monetary policy, financial stability, and efficient operations of currency and payment systems. The RBI statement comes months after the time when it said it was in a position to start off with testing and running pilot projects of the CBDC. RBI, which is also the country's banking regulator, said it will be going step by step through stages of proof of concept and pilots before the launch of the digital currency. Cryptocurrencies rebounded in late Friday Asian trades, taking cues from strong opening of US stocks and in hope the Federal Reserve will likely slow the pace of rate hikes after July. Bitcoin rebounded and traded above $29,000. The Fed's role in taming inflation without hard crashing the economy remains the biggest factor for the global investors. While investors were relieved that the FOMC minutes did not point to a 75 basis points hike, sentiments were buoyed by policymakers' suggestion that there was scope for a pause in rate hikes later in the year. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed up 0.8%, while the broader market S&P 500 index jumped 1.5%. Tech-heavy Nasdaq climbed 2%, and Bitcoin was seen trading around $29,300, up over 1.5% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded flat at $1,812 as investors brushed aside concerns over stability of its merge aimed at transforming the network to a proof-of-stake blockchain. Other major altcoins traded mixed. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg told shareholders that the company expected to lose a significant amount of money on the metaverse in the short term, and it will try and offset the losses with revenue growth from Instagram Reels. Zuckerberg believes that the metaverse strategy may result in these losses for up to 5 years, which will weigh on the company's stock. Meta is doubling down on its metaverse efforts by developing multiple projects. It is also keen on hardware devices, which will play a central role in the metaverse as users can experience it through VR. It set up its first hardware store in April 2022 to allow users to test hardware. One of the biggest features is crypto and payments itself, as the company has launched currency for use in its Horizon Worlds VR application. The signs are well and truly clear that Meta wants to dominate the metaverse. Terra's governance system has agreed to accept a proposal to burn all Terra USD tokens stored in the project's community pool, as well as USD used for previous Ethereum liquidity incentives. This amounts to more over 1.3 billion USD, or nearly 11% of the current 11.2 billion USD supply. The proposal received 99.3% of the total votes cast in its favor. Terraform Labs, Terra's key development firm, will carry out the burn after the vote. This procedure will be carried out in 2 stages. First, around $1 billion will be sent from Terra's community pool to a burn module, where it will be permanently removed from the supply. The team will then manually bridge $370 million from the Ethereum network to Terra and destroy them, as described in a Terra Governance Forum explanatory article. The approval of the UST burn comes a day after Terra's governance system also approved Terraform's revival plan to relaunch the Terra blockchain and create Luna 2.0 tokens. Meanwhile, developers said Friday that Terra's new blockchain will be launched on Saturday, followed by an airdrop of new Luna tokens to users as part of a larger strategy to revive the ecosystem. Following the completion of a vote among network validators with a 65% acceptance rate, a snapshot of the new blockchain, currently termed Terra 2.0, was taken earlier this week. Popular applications from the current blockchain, which will continue as Terra Classic after the launch of Terra 2.0, are expected to migrate to the new blockchain. Holders of Luna and Terra USD, a stablecoin tethered to the US dollar, are eligible to acquire vested new Luna tokens based on their previous holdings. In principle, this would allow existing holders to recoup some of their lost investment value while also encouraging the use of the new blockchain. Move to Earn digital blockchain-based game Step N has banned Chinese users, citing regulations from Beijing. The creator Steven said in a tweet that it will clear out users in mainland China in order to proactively respond to the relevant regulatory policies. The tweet also mentioned that if users in mainland China are found, Steven will stop providing GPS and IP location services to their accounts at midnight on July 15, 2022 in accordance with the terms of use. China banned cryptocurrency transactions and mining last year. The government has also stepped up scrutiny of companies handling large amounts of personal information. StepN users are required to buy NFTs that represent digital sneakers in order to play the game. They then earn cryptocurrency based on their movement as tracked by their smartphones. Chennai Super Kings on Friday announced that they have entered into an exclusive partnership with the cricket Metaverse and NFT company FanCraze. The announcement comes a day after Delhi Capitals partnered with FanCraze and became the first IPL team to launch NFTs. FanCraze will collaborate with the 4-time IPL champions to create digital collectibles NFTs, a virtual academy, digital land, and various play-to-earn experiences. FanCraze has been taking serious steps to capture the cricket Web3 ecosystem since its launch in February. BCCI on Monday unveiled FanCraze as official sponsors of the Women's T20 Challenge 2022. That's all for today's news. I'm your host Jasnoor Kaur signing off, and keep watching Crypto TV, world's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel.